Computer keyboard. Hi kids! Like we use a pencil to write on our notebook and teacher uses chalk or marker for writing on the board while teaching you in the class. In the same way, we use a keyboard to type characters, words or sentences on a computer. We also use the keys on the keyboard to type numbers, letters and symbols. A keyboard is one of the main parts of a computer. You can see different types of keys on a keyboard like numeric keys, arrow keys, etc. Let's know more about keyboard keys. Keyboard is one of the main input devices of a computer. Let us have a quick view of a standard keyboard. Enter key helps in moving to the next line. Caps lock key helps in typing capital letters. The alphabet keys help in typing letters and words. The number keys help in typing numbers. Spacebar key help in adding space in between the letters, words and numbers. Backspace key helps in erasing the letters left to the cursor. Delete key helps in erasing the letters right to the cursor. The arrow keys help in moving the cursor in all the 4 directions, that is, left, right, top and bottom. Now let's discuss different types of keys in detail. Keyboards come in different sizes and shapes, but the layout of keys is the same in every keyboard. The keys on a keyboard are commonly divided into alphabets, numbers, and special keys. Let us study about each type of keys one by one. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. Each key has a letter written on it from A to Z. These letters are not arranged in an alphabetical order. These keys are used to type letters, words and sentences in English. Number keys. Number keys are also called numeric keys. These keys help you in typing numbers. These keys are 10 in number from 0 to 9. On a keyboard, there are 2 sets of number keys. One set is present above the alphabet keys and the other set is on the right side. The set of number keys present on the right side is known as numeric keypad. Special keys. Apart from alphabet and number keys, there are some special keys on a keyboard. These keys are used to do some specific work, such as moving cursor on the screen, giving commands, using keys in combination with other keys to change their functions. Caps lock key. This key helps in typing letters in capitals. Press the caps lock key once to turn it active. Notice a light on the keyboard turns on. When it is active, the letters you type appear in capital letters, that is uppercase. To turn off the caps lock key, press it again. When it is off, the letters you type appear in small letters, lowercase. Spacebar key. This key is used to add space between letters, words and numbers. It is the longest key on a keyboard. Adding spaces between the words is very important while typing. Suppose you type, "I love my mother so much" without any spaces. This sentence is not clear without spaces and it is difficult to read. Now, type the same sentence again, pressing the spacebar key as shown. Your output is clear and easy to read now. That is, I love my mother so much. Shift key. Shift key is used with the other keys such as symbol, number and alphabet keys. There are two shift keys on a keyboard. This key is used to enter special symbols like exclamation, asterisk, ampersand, dollar, at the rate of, question mark and so on. Some of the symbols like question mark, single quote, double quote, colon, semicolon are called the punctuation marks. To enter a symbol, press and hold the shift key. Now, press any of the symbol keys. That specific symbol will appear on the screen. The shift key is also used to type in capitals. Enter key. Enter key helps in moving the cursor to the next line. There are two enter keys on a keyboard. To understand this, type I can see and then press the enter key. You will find that the cursor, that is the small blinking line, shifts to the next line. Now type I can talk. Arrow keys. Arrow keys help in moving the cursor in all the four directions on the screen: left, right, up and down. The four arrow keys are as follows. Left arrow key moves the cursor to the left. Up arrow key moves the cursor up. Right arrow key moves the cursor to the right. Down arrow key moves the cursor down. Backspace key. This key helps you to delete or erase the text typed left to the cursor, one letter at a time. For example, by mistake you typed the spelling of the word talk as T-A-L-L-K. Now, let us correct it using the backspace key. To correct it, place the cursor before the letter K using arrow keys. After that, press the backspace key once. The extra L is erased. Delete key. This key helps you to delete or erase the text typed right to the cursor, one letter at a time. For example, by mistake you typed the spelling of the word walk as W-A-L-K-K. To correct the spelling using the delete key, follow the steps. First of all, place the cursor after the letter L. Now, press the delete key once. The letter K after L is erased.